Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Nok Ayu. I am divorced. I have two children, girl and boy. I am number one in my family. I am Muslim. I am was born years in Cirebon, 6 June 1996. I am 29 years old. I am come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. My height is 157 cm. My weight is 422 kg. My last education junior high school. My experience was in Cirebon for 2 years. My job is cleaning the house, take care of children, housekeeping, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and washing care. I can taking care of baby and children. I can cook Indonesian food like sour soup, rendang, chicken curry, and egg balado. I not eat pork because I am Muslim. I am afraid of dogs, not afraid of cats. I am promised to finish contract working Singapore for 2 years or more. I want to go Singapore because I want get more money, my family future. My interview's finished. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.